Hey, how's it going? Sketch Monster here, otherwise known as Enrique. Today we're going to go over how to draw a Mr. Potato Head shaped Spider-Man. Very simple, very easy for beginners. If you're a big fan of Spider-Man like I am, I love all the Marvel movies, absolutely join in, stick around. It is literally going to be 8 minutes and you should be able to draw this from your head after we're done with the lesson, okay? If you have any questions, let me know, but otherwise let's jump right into the lesson now. Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over and we're going to go over how to draw Spider-Man, but in a funny form, okay? You're going to check it out. It's awesome. Let's get started. Going to go over here. Draw a curved line over here for the top of the head. Gonna pull down, curve underneath. It's kind of like a potato body. Pull down over here and curve. Basically a potato shape, you know, very simple. Just get the gist of it. Don't worry about it. You don't have to go wild with it. You don't have to be like, oh my god, I have to have the exact curvature of this potato. It doesn't really matter, okay? Just as long as you got the idea. Gonna go over here, curve right here for one arm. Curve right here for the other arm. It's gonna get bigger as it goes outward. Curve right here. Gonna go over here on this side. Cross, same thing. Curve out to that side. Curve out to this side. Line over here. Wrap around here for kind of like the glove area. Curve over here for the hand. Curve over here because he's balling up his hand like in a fist. Same thing over here on this side. Line here. Line over here. Line over here down. Curve out. And curve underneath. You got that shoe right there. So a lot of the appendages are going to get bigger as they go outward, kind of putting to that Mr. Potato Head, kind of very simple shape. Alrighty, so this is going to be our base, kind of what we're working with right now. Hopefully you're doing well right now. What I want you to do is, if you like this, if you like these very simple beginner lessons, I want you to hit the subscribe, click the bell notification, because what I'm doing right now is I'm taking requests that you guys make in the comments, and I am making lessons, short lessons about them. No lesson goes over 8 minutes. Really quick, let's take a little break. So when you're drawing stuff with Spider-Man, for example, like a lot of the netting that he has, a lot of his face, the hardest is going to be in the face, and the easiest is going to be that checkerboard for the rest of his body. If you do that, you can make anything Spider-Man. You can make a dog Spider-Man, you can make a cat, you can take any shape you want and make it Spider-Man. Anyways, that was a quick tip. Let's go right back into the lesson. It's very simple stuff. And you get to kind of like learn to kind of add to your mind every single day. I post every day. There's a traditional drawing lesson in the morning, and then at night we post those stuff you can do in the iPad. So hopefully, if you like any of those, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification, and yeah. So let's get back into this template here. I'm going to go over here on this side, and we're going to start over here with Spider-Man's eye. Curve up, curve down, up over here. Line over here on this side, up, curve underneath. Over here on this side, down, line over here. And what I'm doing is I'm thickening out the line. That's obviously the Spider-Man eyes that I'm thickening out. Right, so the line around here is... Alright, cool. Circle. Line down, go over here, line up. We're gonna do kind of the pattern on the Spider-Man suit. It's gonna come out like the sun. It's gonna come out like the rays of the sun, and then it's gonna miss the eye there though. Right on. It's going to kind of wrap around the potato shape. line over here, and line over here. Sweet. All right, we got that. Draw a line over here underneath, line over here underneath, and for the feet, I'm literally just gonna do kind of a checkerboard line shape. And I'm gonna make the lines a little bit thinner. The reason I wanna do that is because you don't want as much detail on like something, I mean, so these are details, so you don't really want as much going on there. Line over here, up. Line over here, up. Same thing, checkerboard on the arms, if you can, you know. Curve line over here, curve line over here, curve line over here, curve over here, curve over here. Over here. Right on. And that's pretty much it. What I want to do now is I want to draw something to kind of unify this. So I'm going to draw a thicker line around the outside of this guy. Alrighty. It's kind of an odd version of Spider-Man. If you have another version of Spider-Man you might want to see, let me know. I will say hi to anybody in the comments section. So reach out to me in the comments. Say, hey, what's up? How's life? How's it going? When you reach out to me in the comments section, there's like a 100% chance I'll reach out again. So say hi, say what's up, and we can you know, have a conversation back and forth in the comments section. I will try to reply to you. I'll go over here to the top. Kind of looks like an avocado, actually. To be honest, I was gonna say, dang, he kind of has that avocado look. Or doesn't he? Right, he kind of looks like an avocado. It's pretty funny. But what I want you to do is I want you to focus on your art as well. So doodle something fun every single day. It could be this. Hopefully this was fun. But doodle something in your sketchbook. And the more you do that, basically the better you're going to get. The line work's going to get better on your stuff. You're going to get better at just kind of starting, kind of the habit of doing it. And there's a whole lot of stuff. There's like a whole world of things to do there. So I really hope you had a good time. I did. You're amazing. What I want you to do is I want you to share the video if you have time. Please share it anywhere, whether it be on Facebook or, you know, I guess you could share it on Instagram, right? Twitter is the easy one. Share it on anything. It helps the channel out, and we're growing more and more. And I do want to thank you guys. You guys have been amazing. I'll talk to you next time, and I'll see you very soon, all right?